The story of Georgina Rodriguez. Georgina Rodriguez is a well-known figure in the world of fashion, beauty, and social media. But she is perhaps best known as the partner of football superstar Cristiano Ronaldo. Her journey to fame is a story of perseverance, hard work, and passion for her dreams. Let's dive into her life story and explore how she became the successful and admired woman she is today. Georgina Rodriguez was born on January 27, 1994, in Jaca, a small town located in the Aragon region of Spain. Jaca is a picturesque place surrounded by mountains, but it's far from the busy cities that many young people dream of. Her father, Jorge Rodriguez, was originally from Argentina, while her mother, Ana Maria Hernandez, was Spanish. Georgina grew up in a loving and close-knit family. She has one sister, Ivana, and they shared a modest life. Her family wasn't wealthy, but they had what they needed and focused on their happiness and togetherness. From a young age, Georgina showed a passion for dance, and she spent a lot of time practicing ballet. In her early years, she wasn't interested in traditional school subjects as much as she was in the arts, especially dance. Her teachers noticed her talent, but Georgina's desire for a better life pushed her to explore bigger dreams. At the age of 18, she decided to leave her quiet town and move to Madrid, Spain's capital, to pursue a career in fashion and modeling. Moving to Madrid was a big decision for Georgina. She didn't have much money when she first arrived, so she worked multiple jobs to support herself. She worked as a waitress in cafes and as a nanny for other families. These jobs weren't glamorous, but they gave her the chance to make connections and get by. However, Georgina didn't give up on her dream of working in fashion. She applied for a job at a high-end fashion store called Gucci, and in 2014, she was hired as a sales assistant. This was a turning point in her life. Working at Gucci allowed Georgina to meet people from the fashion industry and exposed her to a world of luxury and style that she had always admired. She learned a lot about the fashion business and began to build her confidence. In 2016, Georgina's life changed dramatically when she met Cristiano Ronaldo. She was working at the Gucci store in Madrid when Cristiano, who was already a global football icon, came in to shop. They crossed paths, and an instant connection formed. Cristiano later admitted that he was attracted to Georgina's kindness, natural beauty, and humility. The couple started dating shortly after, and their relationship became public. While their connection may have started from a chance meeting, their bond grew stronger over time. Georgina said that she was nervous at first because of Ronaldo's fame, but she quickly realized that he was just a normal person like everyone else. Their love story became one of the most talked about relationships in the world, with people fascinated by how Georgina, a young girl from a small town, had become the partner of one of the most famous athletes of all time. Despite their fame, Georgina and Ronaldo have always tried to keep their personal life private and focused on raising their family together. In 2017, Georgina gave birth to her daughter, Alana Martina, whom she shares with Cristiano. Their little girl was welcomed into the world with love and excitement. Alana Martina is the couple's first child together, and Georgina's life as a mother became even more meaningful. In addition to Alana, Cristiano had 3 other children from previous relationships: Cristiano Jr., Eva, and Matteo. Georgina embraced her role as a stepmother to Cristiano's older children, and the family became close-knit. Georgina often shares photos on social media of her children, showing how much love and care she gives them. The family often goes on trips together, enjoying vacations in luxurious locations and celebrating holidays. Despite their wealth, Georgina and Ronaldo prioritize spending quality time with their children. Georgina has said that being a mother is her most important role in life, and she works hard to balance her career with family responsibilities. While her relationship with Ronaldo helped Georgina gain international attention, she never stopped working on her own career. In the early stages of her relationship with Ronaldo, Georgina was still working as a sales assistant. But as her relationship with the football star became more public, her career in fashion and modeling began to take off. Georgina's natural beauty and style quickly gained attention in the fashion world. She became a sought-after model, working with top brands and designers. Her Instagram account, where she shares her fashion looks and lifestyle, grew rapidly, attracting millions of followers from all over the world. Her success as a model wasn't just about her looks. Georgina has always been hardworking and dedicated. She took advantage of her social media platform to connect with fans, promote brands, and show the world her work ethic. As her influence grew, she also started working on her own business ventures, including collaborations with luxury brands, fitness products, and more. In 2022, Georgina starred in her own Netflix series, I Am Georgina. The show allowed her to open up about her life, her relationship with Ronaldo, and the challenges she faced in becoming the woman she is today. Fans loved getting a behind-the-scenes look at her family life and the reality of living as one of the world's most famous couples. With Cristiano, Georgina lives a life filled with luxury and travel. The couple enjoys staying in beautiful homes, visiting exotic destinations, and attending glamorous events. They both love to travel, and their social media pages are filled with photos of their adventures. However, Georgina never forgets where she came from. She has a deep appreciation for the challenges she faced growing up and always looks for ways to give back. Georgina is involved in several charitable causes and supports organizations that help children and families in need. She is also passionate about using her platform to inspire others. Whether it's through fitness, fashion, or self-confidence, Georgina aims to motivate her followers to pursue their own dreams and never give up. Georgina Rodriguez's story is one of inspiration and determination. She came from a small town with big dreams and worked hard to make them come true. She proved that, with dedication and the right mindset, anyone can change their life. Her success is not just because of her relationship with Cristiano Ronaldo, but because of her own talent, hard work, and focus on building her own identity. Georgina's journey shows that it's possible to achieve success while staying true to who you are and helping others along the way.